So this jacuzzi has a really hard button. It turns on, but when you want to turn it off, you have to really press it hard, and it really slowly comes out. So to fix that, it's very simple. Just take this. There's a tube. There's a clear tube. Let me shine the light here. There's a clear tube that goes from under. If you can see, this tube goes from under the button there, comes to where the connection is for the motor, and it just basically with air switches this on and off. So you do, if you have access to that end, take that end off. If you have access to this end, then take this end off, and just blow a little bit of air into that, either by mouth or just pump, and clear this. That will just fix the problem. Right. You can hear as you press the pump, you just press air into that nozzle. You can hear the switch on and off. You might not hear it from this camera, but it's a very tiny sound of clicking. So that is working, and this is cleared. You just put it back, and let's see. Put the spring over it so it's tight, and let's have a look. Turn the power cord on. Well, it's already pumping. There's no water in there, but you can hear the sound of the motor. And it switches off. It switches on and off both high speed and low speed, whereas before it wasn't doing that. You had to actually put it on high speed, high pressure to do it, and it was very hard. Now it's not as hard. The button is really just normal, and it comes out normal. Right now it's filled with water. Let's have a look again. Let me turn the power on. Yeah. It's working. Now turn it off. No problem. Turn it on. Low speed. Off. And the button is much easier to press. So now you know how to fix your jacuzzi or your hot tub if the button is hard to press and it's not turning off, or it's not even turning on. Thank you very much. See you again with another video. Goodbye.